No, no, come on. Fish fry from them is young.
Heavy naman. Ito lang. Yeah guys, 2021.
Alright.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Daddy, where are you coming from?
Coming from Burbush, lady. Tired,
How
man.
was your day?
It was okay.
What kind of bird the other guy didn't shoot?
Okay, they showed ball plate, white wing, and peanuts.
Oh,
Yeah.
your day was fun?
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, quite an adventure, quite a hunting. Yeah.
It was like a adventure where the fun something else.
Hmm? Hmm?
It was like an adventure where the sun something else.
Yeah.
Did you guys shoot a lot of birds then?
Yeah, the guys showed their fair amount of birds. Yeah, their bag. Bag mean that they get the amount that they're supposed to shoot, so their bag. It was okay.
But sometimes little boys, the soldiers tell them when they shoot for the birds and they take away.
And that's not the soldiers. What they call again? They thought I forgot their name, but the guys who ensure that they shoot the amount of birds that they're supposed to shoot and not more. You know? So you start eat birds now?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes.
I think you're lying.
No,
For the first time I give you a bird, you say, ew!
Yes.
So I say, really, I mean, and the bird tastes so nice. I'm so tired, I just want to just take a shower and get some rest.
Are you really going to do that?
Of course, I'm tired. I've been out from like 4 o'clock this morning. You guys was just turning into your bed. Said Daddy say you couldn't bring me.
Daddy, why could you bring that bird bush with you?
Because you were sleeping, I didn't want to wake you. Could you manage it?
Yes.
Really? It's very rough, you know?
Yes, I could.
Okay, well, one of these days I will try and take you one of the morning.
Thanks, Daddy.
You're welcome, son.
But we don't have no pants.
Bird, soldier pants. You don't have to wear soldier pants. You have army shorts, but you have to wear long pants so that marker don't cry up. Well, you can wear jeans pants. You can wear any jeans pants like a blue, or you have black pants. You can wear.
We have one blue pants, a blue long pants.
Yeah, you can wear one of them. So long as it's not a bright color to scare the birds, and when the birds see it, you can wear it.
I don't think it's a very bright color, but this shirt is a very bright color and the other one.
Yeah. So you wear one of your army shirt, and your army color shirt.
Yes.
So you have to be prepared, and you have to wake up early in the morning. Can you do that, like wake up early in the morning?
I think so.
Okay.
I would go brush my teeth, I wash my face, I wash my hair, and put on my soldier shirt.
Okay, good boy.
Share and subscribe and like to that video. I always watch them so you can make sure you remember them.
Okay, mister, love you.
Love you, Dad. You make sure